Tired of stressing about your credit card info getting stolen every time you shop online? Klarna's got you covered with their one-time card feature, and I'm going to show you how to use it in less than 90 seconds first. Open the Klarna app on your phone, make sure you're logged in. Next, tap on the Cards tab at the bottom. It looks like a little credit card icon. Okay, now you'll see an option that says Create a one-time card. Tap on that. Now, carefully enter the exact amount you plan to spend on your purchase. It's important to get this right, as the card will only work for this precise amount. Boom! Klarna will instantly generate a virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV. This is your one-time card, and remember, this card is only good for a single transaction. Now, simply copy and paste the card number, expiration date, and CVV into the checkout page of the website you're shopping on. Just like you would with a regular credit card, remember to double-check all the information before submitting your order. Once your purchase is complete, the one-time card automatically expires, adding an extra layer of protection. If you want to be extra cautious, you can also manually inactivate the card in the Klarna app immediately after your purchase. Find the card in your Klarna account and select Inactivate. And that's it. Now you can shop online with greater peace of mind. Subscribe for more quick tips to protect yourself online.